Hello everyone, my name is Christopher and I am the founder and lead engineer at Azuka Labs. We develop businesses through artificial intelligence. If you're a business owner looking to learn more about how you can integrate AI into your daily operations, click the first link in the description to book a free consultation with me. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, so in the last 2 weeks we've seen some big players in the AI race release some new models, specifically Grok 3 with XAI, Claude Sonnet 3.7 from Anthropic, and of course GPT 4.5 from OpenAI. I guess we could also throw in Deepseek R1. Now why is this important? Well, new versions of these updates are releasing faster than Tim Cook can release a new iPhone or patch the latest bugs with Siri. Siri is horrible, by the way. So let's get into some numbers, shall we? Grok is probably the most fascinating one. The son of which is undoubtedly the strangest man on earth, Elon Musk, is actually a pretty good programming model. Also, it literally lives on a platform that is proposed to be the world's town square, a central beacon for free speech on the internet, which is X or Twitter. So what does this mean for the model? Well, it means Grok is a little less politically correct. It will tell you funny and sometimes dark jokes, but most importantly, it has access to real-time tweets. It can source information from virtually every public Twitter account. That means it's text, speech, Twitter, spaces, videos, articles, etc. All of it is all there. Not only that, but it literally costs about $10 per month to access Grok with X Premium. Grok is pretty good at math too. It ranks pretty high for logical reasoning, deep thinking, and computer science. All of this, and it's actually quite a funny model. One drawdown of Grok is that your memory isn't actually saved anywhere. So as soon as you close your tab, you basically have to start again. But during the time of your session, so if you keep the tab open, then the memory will be saved with Grok. Now moving on to OpenAI, or should I say Closed AI. So Closed AI has led the race for a little bit. The organization led by Sam Altman has failed to produce something that is leaps and bounds beyond other models. This does not mean that it's not good, it just means that it's not great. So one unique selling point for OpenAI is that it's taken its consumer product infrastructure quite seriously, meaning that it has multiple platforms in which you can use the product. So for example, a mobile application, a desktop application, and of course the web app. It also has voice enabled systems, right? Most of these other platforms do not have the ability to actually have a conversation in English, Spanish, whatever, right? And this is quite important when they're talking about a consumer facing application. So that means it ranks pretty high when it comes to consumer distribution. Now here's the catch. In order to access GPT 4.5, you need to have the $200 a month premium subscription for OpenAI. Worth it? Well, you tell me. Claude 3.7, good model, pretty good at handling complex tasks. Their web application can produce documents in different forms, PDF, Excel, JSON, CSV, so on and so forth. I personally use the platform when I want to deal with large sets of data. Their capacity is certainly higher than other models, although for developers, this platform is pretty expensive. It has the highest cost per million tokens. Now lastly, Deepseek, the Chinese AI platform that everyone seems to be afraid of their personal data being leaked on. I think it's probably the best model when it comes to comparing performance with pricing. It's open source, meaning you can download the entire model and run it on multiple platforms. You can also create an entire application without having to pay for any API requests as long as you host the model on your own server. So very good at building platforms and projects. Highly recommended for developers looking to build consumer focused products. Alright, last but not least, what would I recommend you use? The answer is all of them. Most low-tier versions of these applications are completely free, so if you have no experience using large language models, you should try them all out. If you're an experienced LLM user, then the answer depends on your use case. Personally, I'm a programmer, so I use all of them. It's similar to having a development team of 4, 3 large language models, and of course, myself. Now, if you're a business owner with no programming experience, looking to improve sales, marketing, operations, or finances in your business with AI, then I recommend you use an LLM wrapper application that is tailored to the specific use case that you're looking to improve. If this description describes you, then I recommend you book a free consultation with us. First link in the description. That'll be all for now, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.